Imagine having a whole creative studio right at your fingertips. I'm talking a full-on production house, ready to bring your biggest, wildest ideas to life. Well, today, we're actually going to build that studio. And the best part, we're going to do it using powerful and, most importantly, completely free AI tools. So, let's dive in.
You know that feeling, right? We've all been there. That lightning bolt of an idea strikes. You've got a concept for a new web series, a short film, a killer animated explainer, something you just know could be absolutely amazing.
And then, bam, reality hits. You start thinking about the cost of software, gear, artists, editors, and suddenly it feels like there's this giant, impossible wall standing between your brilliant idea and actually making it a reality.
What if I told you that wall is starting to crumble? Today, we're going to put together a professional-grade creative toolkit using freely available AI. This is everything you need to finally tear down that wall and bring that big idea to life.
So, where do we start? Well, every great project starts with a great script, right? So, the very first stop in building our new studio is hiring our writer.
And our writer is none other than ChatGPT. Even the free version gives you this incredibly powerful creative partner that can help you flesh out concepts, completely smash through writer's block, and even draft your entire narrative from scratch.
Seriously, think of it as your tireless brainstorming buddy. You can ask it to generate whole scripts, help you polish your narration, or you can even just dump a bunch of messy research notes into it and say, hey, pull out the key themes for me. It's the engine for your ideas.
All right, we've got our script in hand. Now it's time to actually visualize the world we're creating. So let's head on over to the art department, where we've got a few incredible specialists waiting for us. First up, we've got Canva. Its AI-powered Magic Studio is honestly perfect for all those polished design elements that make a project look legit. We're talking titles, graphics, social media stuff. It's super fast, packed with templates, and incredibly easy to use.
With Canva, you can whip up a really compelling thumbnail in just a few seconds, you can design a slick intro sequence, and you can even generate some simple animated clips. It's your go-to for making everything look professional and tied together.
Okay, but for the core artwork of your project, we're bringing in the specialist, Leonardo.ai. This tool is basically like having a professional concept artist on call 24/7, ready to generate these stunning, high-quality images just from your text descriptions.
This is where you really bring your characters and your scenes to life. You can design a character's entire look, create detailed storyboards for every single shot, and generate beautiful, atmospheric background art that sets the whole tone for your project.
And for those of you who really want to push the creative envelope, there's Stable Diffusion. Now, because this is an open source model, it's just unbelievably flexible and community-driven. It lets you create these truly unique visual styles that you just won't find anywhere else. So, if you want a look that is completely 100% your own, this is the tool for you. You can fine-tune models, you can explore what the community has built, and you can generate art that really, truly stands out. This is for the creator who loves to experiment. So let's just break it down really simply. You're going to use Canva for your polished graphics, titles, and thumbnails. You'll use Leonardo.ai for your core high-quality scenes and characters. And you'll turn to Stable Diffusion when you want to get weird, get experimental, and create a truly signature look. Okay, so we have our script, we have our visuals. Now it's time to breathe some life into them with motion and sound. Let's meet the animation and audio crew.
First on the team is Pika Labs. This tool is, well, it's kind of magic. It takes your text prompts, or even those still images you just made in Leonardo, and it turns them into short, animated video clips. It is shockingly fast for just seeing your ideas in motion.
This is absolutely perfect for creating dynamic shots for an animated explainer, or just generating quick video concepts to see how an idea feels. It's all about speed and bringing that static art to life with just a couple of words.
Now, for a little more control and some more advanced effects, we're going to turn to Runway ML. Think of this as a more robust AI video suite. It can generate video clips, sure, but it also offers some really powerful editing features.
With Runway, you can do things like remove the background from an existing video, add some really stunning visual effects, and use its AI tools to help you edit your clips together. It's like having a visual effects artist right in your back pocket.
And finally, for our sound and final assembly, we have Descript. This is the central hub where everything, and I mean everything, comes together. It's an audio and video editor, but it has this revolutionary twist.
So, get this.
In Descript, you edit your video and audio by simply editing text. It automatically transcribes everything and you just edit the words, like in a doc. It's as easy as that. You can record your narration, clean it up with AI, and add subtitles effortlessly. It is an absolute game changer.
So there you have it. We've assembled our all-star team of free AI tools. Now for the big question, how do we get them all to work together? Let's look at the production blueprint.
Here it is, the simple, powerful workflow. Step 1, you draft your script in ChatGPT. Step 2, you create your world and your characters with Leonardo or Stable Diffusion. Step 3, you bring those images to life with Pika or Runway. Step 4, design your titles and graphics in Canva. And finally, Step 5, you bring it all into Descript to record your voiceover and edit your masterpiece.
The tools are here, the workflow is clear, and the budget is zero. The only thing that was ever really in the way was access and know-how. And now you have the blueprint. The doors to your very own AI studio are officially open. So the only question left is, what amazing story are you going to tell first?